Hi folks, Dr. David Kulla here with Synergy Wellness in New York City to discuss a really common question I get. How long does it take to fix a hiatal hernia? That's an impossible question for me to answer. We get this so often. We have a lot of patients that get, 1, 2, 3 treatments. We manually pull the stomach down and correct the hernia, which really, we don't know if the stomach is pulled down necessarily. An endoscopy, sometimes an ultrasound of the stomach can tell us that, or a barium swallow, but the stomach goes up and down anyway. So we pull it down, and really what we go by is symptoms. Are your symptoms better? If they're better, great. We're going to continue doing what we're doing, especially if they've improved 50%, we kind of cut the visits down. So we have a gentleman here who's been treating with us for almost 4 weeks, just a spot on 4 weeks here, and we're going to ask him how he's doing. So again, some of you will get results very quickly, but it's a small percentage. Most people take 4 to 8 weeks to get through this. So there's a lot of people that travel here from out of town, even out of the country or from another state, and that's something I want to answer. A typical case is going to take at least 4 to 8 weeks. So we have him here who's been almost 4 weeks, 5 days short of 4 weeks. And how are you doing?
Oh, thanks very much for asking.
So what were your symptoms when you first started?
I had a burning sensation under the rib cage, as if I received a punch. And I start with you, burning sensation more than 50% down. And
so if you can't understand his accent, I can understand it, but for those of you that can't, he started here 3.5 weeks ago. He had burning sensation right where the hernia is, below the chest, not so much up into the chest area and into the throat. And you had some other issues, right?
Not other issue.
Any breathing problems?
No. I don't have any GERD syndrome. I just only have burning sensation.
So a lot of people have different symptoms. Some people have dysphagia where they can't eat anything. It doesn't stay down. It comes up. GERD. Others have no GERD at all, no burning, silent reflux, and a lot of phlegm and coughing in their throat at night especially. That's a sign you have a hiatal hernia, but you might not have any burning. Some people have difficulty breathing only without acid. So there are a whole host of symptoms, and we've gone over them. Difficulty breathing, burning in the chest, bloating, a lot of gas, a lot of belching after you eat especially. Those are signs of a hiatal hernia. Not all the signs, but most of the main ones. So we're 3.5 weeks in. What percentage have you improved?
More than 50%.
More than?
Yeah.
Okay, more than 50%. So that gives you an idea of how long it takes. He's an average case. So he's gotten over 50% improvement in 3.5 weeks. And we're going to be working with him over the next few weeks, but seeing him less often. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.